Yo, it's that Rasta Kountry, motherfucker, man. When we ain't doing the country nature show, man, hey, we fixing houses. We came to a service call because the shutoff valve had broken. They can't turn off the water till they shop. So we done cut out the pipe, and we about to transform that into one of these, man. Hey, man, y'all tune in, and let me show y'all how to work this. Excuse my ashy-ass hands. I can't help it, you feel what I'm saying? I like to be able to feel what's going on with the pipe. I'm gonna move kind of fast. We got a male adapter. Excuse my son. I always twist it the other way first. You all right? My son didn't fail. It's all right, big boy. It's okay. It's okay. It's all right. It's okay. Yeah. Yeah, my son trying to learn that he didn't fail too. Turn that down. No need to over tighten it. I know. So we transforming PVC to PEX. I could go back with PVC, but there's honestly no need to go back with PVC. Because nowadays it's PEX is always easier to fix. And you know, they got these things called sharp bites nowadays that you can pretty much fix anything with it. But we don't use sharp bites. We like to do it the old natural, good old fashioned way with glue. You feel what I'm saying? And I know a lot of people like to use primer when they're using this blue glue. But blue glue actually already got primer in it. That's why it's blue. You feel what I'm saying? But before I do any of that, we're going to go ahead and crimp our pipe onto it. A little too long. Let's cut this pipe down. You can get it about right here. That should be good enough. After this video, a lot of people gonna think plumbing easy, but plumbing still ain't easy, because if this don't work, you gotta figure out how you gonna fix it if that don't work. You feel what I'm saying? I'm about to get ready to glue this pipe. Come in. Back closer. I'm about to have to lean in there. I like to twist it, make sure it's on there. Fucking twist. Do the same thing to the other pipe. Y'all gotta excuse my son. He ready for daddy to finish. Daddy taking too long. But daddy trying to make a TikTok video, so daddy have to get set up to make the TikTok video. Twist that one on. Do the same thing right there. Put that on. Some people like to use the pliers trick, but we ain't gonna use the pliers trick. Alright, we're almost done. I know y'all wondering like, dang, what a shutoff valve at? But hey, the shutoff valve right here. Cut that pipe right in the center. Bang. We're gonna need 2 more crop rings. One on top. One on bottom. You gotta move the camera over, man. Yeah, that's your pipe. Okay, let's see. Do the same thing. Don't have to crimp. Can't be too far, can't be too close. All right. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is how you install a brand new shutoff valve, and you transform that to that. You see what I'm saying? Y'all see that? We went from that to something that's a whole lot better.